Hello, we are Genau AutoWerks, the original Bring a Trailer local partner here in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are excited to bring to you this remarkable 1964 Alfa Romeo 2600 Spider. Let's check it out and discuss some of the details after a cold start and a quick drive. Thank you. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, this excellent 1964 Alfa Romeo 2600 Spider, an incredible example of Alfa Romeo's flagship model of the 1960s. This specific 2600 Spider is one of only 2,255 units produced during the entire global production run. Purchased by its current owner in 2013, it has since seen significant time and money spent on maintaining its extremely high level of presentation, which has allowed it to win a number of different awards over the years. From its smooth metallic gray finish over clean black interior to its spendy and true Barroni wire wheels, it's a combination that garners attention wherever it goes. Beyond its looks, the triple Weber fed twin-cam inline-six pulls strong and produces a note that other Alfas of its era just can't replicate. A highly sought-after, yet rarely offered vintage Italian roadster offered in an uncommonly nice condition. If you've been looking to add a good 2600 roadster to your collection, this might be your best shot at it for a long time to come. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, go to GenauAutoWerks.com for more information. Thank you.